I'm Nell Foster, and this is how to care for a Dracaena Marginata. I maintained interior plants in commercial buildings many years ago, and this plant was favored by people wanting an Asian or a modern feel. The common name for it is Madagascar dragon tree. And the care for this plant is easy. Watering, you will want to water it about every 2 weeks. Let the water drain through. Well, do not overwater it. If you see tips on the plant, it's because of the salts and fluorides in the water, so either use distilled water or let the water sit for a day or two and then water it. And the light, it likes a nice bright exposure, nothing too hot or direct, or not a dark corner either. Fertilizers, if you feel like using a fertilizer, use an organic liquid houseplant fertilizer, and do it only at recommended strength, and only do it once or twice a year. You don't want too much fertilizer buildup in there. As far as pests, it's susceptible to mealybug, spider mite, and scale, and you can control those with a horticultural oil. You just make sure you get the undersides of the leaves and in these nodes here also. And it would love a good spraying every once in a while, just to clean the foliage off, and it is a tropical plant after all. This is an easy care, something that gives you a modern sculptural feel. Then the Dracaena Marginata is for you.